Hello my dear students, welcome to your mathematics class. Dear students, we are doing unit 7 and 7.3 exercise of your NCERT book. The name of the unit is triangles. Until now we have done only one question of 7.3 exercise. So let's start with question number 2 now. Question number 2 is AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle ABC in which AB is equal to AC. Show that AD bisects BC and AD bisects angle A. So dear students, let me first draw the figure in front of you. So what they are saying, that a triangle ABC, which is isosceles triangle, this is given to us and its name is triangle ABC, right? Now AD is the altitude. Altitude का मतलब क्या होता है? 90 degree. AD is the altitude of this triangle. Altitude to BC, and what we have to prove, it is given to us that AB is equal to AC, means these two sides are equal. Now what we have to prove, that AD bisects BC. Bisects means दो equal parts में divide कर रहा है. AD means BD is equal to DC prove करना है हमें, and AD bisects angle A also, means ये जो पूरा angle A है इसके भी दो equal parts हो रहे हैं. This is what we have to prove. So let us first write down the given part and to prove. So it is given to us AB is equal to AC and AD is a altitude, means AD is perpendicular to BC. First we have to prove AD bisects BC, means BD is equal to CD, and AD bisects angle A, means angle 1 is equal to 2. So as you can see, BD and CD, which we need to prove equal. So these two parts are the parts of the two smaller triangles, a triangle ABD and ADC. Similarly, 1 and 2 angle are also the part of same two triangles. So dear students, if we will prove these two triangles congruent, then their corresponding parts will automatically get equal. So let us write in triangle ABD, the smaller left one, and triangle ADC, the smaller right triangle, what is given to us. Now these two sides are equal and this angle is 90. If this is 90, this is 90, and this is common, we can take. So let us take AB is equal to, let us take the right angle first, because I can see by using this right angle, this hypotenuse and base, we can use the RHS property, right angle, hypotenuse and any one side. So let me write down angle ADB, means this angle, is equal to angle ADC, means this right angle. And what is the reason? Each 90 degree, right? Now AB is equal to AC. This is given to us, so we will write down given, and then AD is equal to AD. This is common to both the triangles, so we will write common, right? So कौन सा rule use हो रहा है? RHS. तो right angle के सामने वाला hypotenuse, yes, we have used it, and इन दोनों side में से कोई भी एक side. So we will write therefore by RHS triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ADC. तो ये दोनों triangles क्या हो गई? Congruent prove हो गई, and if they are congruent then their corresponding parts are equal. तो वहाँ से हम लिख सकते हैं this implies BD is equal to CD by CPCT, and similarly angle 1 is equal to 2 again by CPCT. So hence proved. So very simple question is this, hence proved. So I hope it is clear to you. Now let's move on to question number 3. Now dear students, our next question is two sides AB and BC. This is AB and AC, and median AM of one triangle ABC are respectively equal to the sides PQ, QR and the median PQ, QR and the median PM. Means AB is equal to PQ, AC is equal to PR and AM median is equal to PN median. This is given to us. Show that triangle ABM, means this left smaller triangle, is congruent to triangle PQN, the smaller left triangle, and triangle ABC, means the bigger triangle, is congruent to bigger triangle PQR. So this is what we have to prove. Dear students, before moving on to the third question, or before doing the third question, let me make use these points clear. First one is altitude, then median, and then perpendicular bisector. What do you mean by an altitude? A line perpendicular to the base. Means in this figure you can see AD is the line which is perpendicular to the base. This is figure 1. So we will use this figure 1 in this case. तो यहाँ पर ये सिर्फ 90 है, आप देख रहे हैं इक्वल पार्ट्स में लाइन को डिवाइड नहीं कर रहा, राइट. नाउ मीडियन विच गिव्स अस द मिड पॉइंट, अ लाइन विच बाइसेक्ट्स द बेस, मीन्स ये हमें मिड पॉइंट मिल जाएगा. अगर ये मिड पॉइंट है तो बी एम इज इक्वल टू सी एम और एम सी. सो दिस इज फिगर 2 विच वी आर यूजिंग इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, राइट. नाउ परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर. परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर बेटा वो होता है जो दोनों काम सॉल्व करे, मीन्स which is perpendicular as well as bisects, means which is a median also, which is altitude also. means ये वो लाइन है जो altitude means 90 एंगल भी बनाएगा और ये बेस को 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड भी करेगा. तो नाम से ही पता चल रहा है परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर. परपेंडिकुलर मीन्स 90 डिग्री, बाइसेक्टर मीन्स बाय मीन्स 2, sector means sect means equal parts. So median which gives only the midpoint, that is 2 equal parts, altitude which is only 90 degree. So must note down these points in your notebook also before doing this exercise or these questions. Now let us do question number 3. So dear students, in these two figures what is given to us, that AB is equal to PQ, AM median is equal to PN median, एंड इफ़ दीज आर मीडियंस तो हम बोल सकते हैं कि ये वाला पार्ट ये इसके इक्वल है और इसका भी ये वाला पार्ट इसके इक्वल है, राइट. और हमें थर्ड क्या दिया है, बी सी, दिस बेस कंप्लीट इज इक्वल टू क्यू आर. तो बेटा सबसे पहले हम यहीं से स्टार्ट करेंगे. बी सी इज इक्वल टू क्यू आर हमें गिवन है, और अगर पूरी साइड इक्वल होती है तो उसका हाफ भी इक्वल होता है. If BC is equal to QR, this implies half of BC. तो उसका हाफ, लाइक दिस इज 10, दिस इज 10, तो 10 का हाफ क्या होगा, 5 वो भी इक्वल आएगा. एंड हाफ ऑफ BC को हम लिख सकते हैं BM इज इक्वल टू Q1. और ये हमने क्यों यूज़ किया है, क्योंकि ये हमें अपने फर्स्ट प्रूफ में रिक्वायर्ड है. सो नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट प्रूफ. सो वी विल स्टार्ट विद इन ट्राइंगल. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट in triangle AB, the small m, and triangle PQN. This, so we can take AB is equal to PQ. This is given to us. AM is equal to PN. This is equal to given to us. BM is equal to QN. Let us mark it as one equation. BM is equal to QN. तो यहाँ लिख देते हैं दिस इज़ गिवन, सो दिस इज़ ऑल्सो गिवन, एंड दिस इज़ यूजिंग 1. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन जो हमने शो कर दी है, तीनों हमने साइड्स यूज़ की हैं, तो हम लिखेंगे बाय ट्रिपल एस प्रॉपर्टी, देयरफॉर बाय एस 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 triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN. So in this way the first part will become very easy for us to prove. Now for second part, let us take the bigger triangle. Now dear students, from here हम एक और चीज़ ले लेते हैं, that angle 1 is equal to 2. क्योंकि ये दोनों छोटे ट्राइंगल हमने congruent प्रूव कर दी, तो हम यहाँ लिख सकते हैं this implies angle 1 is equal to 2 बाय CPCT. अब ये क्यों, क्योंकि इसकी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी हमें अपनी बड़ी ट्राइंगल में. बड़ी ट्राइंगल के केस में बड़ी साइड AB PQ के इक्वल है, BC QR के गिवन है, बट ये जो पार्ट है ये बड़ी ट्राइंगल का नहीं है, वो अंदर आ रहा है. तो इन दैट केस वी विल यूज़ एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू 2. तो बाय SAS 2 triangles are congruent. So we will write in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. सबसे पहले AB is equal to PQ. This is given to us. And let us mark this equation as second equation now. ठीक है? So this is given. We will write given for this. Then angle 1 is equal to 2. That is using second equation. Using second, and the third side BC of the bigger triangle, QR of the bigger triangle. BC is equal to QR. This is again given. So as we have used SAS, क्योंकि जो एंगल इंक्लूड किया है वो इन दोनों साइड को टच कर रहा है, बीच में आ रहा है जो हमने यूज़ की. So therefore by SAS triangle, the bigger triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So I hope, dear students, it is clear to you. So must try the questions yourself also. Thank you.